Wow. Hi, Harry.
Huh?
Welcome to our channel. What is that?
A backhoe.
A backhoe. It looks bigger than you.
Yeah, it's bigger like me.
All right. What is that?
Huh?
What's that?
This.
Hmm.
There is our legs. The backhoe stable, so it doesn't. So if the deer press the button, so he can't run away. So he can't run away in himself when the driver presses.
And what's that?
That's a bucket.
I see.
Except one bucket has another one.
Oh, yes. So it has got two buckets.
Yeah, one, two.
Why it has got two buckets?
Because it's a backhoe.
I see. I can see one bucket can bend.
Yeah, but this one can't bend.
Why can it bend?
This one, see, look, it can bend like this. See, look. Oh, look, speaking of bending, look at these hydraulics.
Hydraulics?
Yeah.
What is hydraulic?
Hydraulics tilt the bucket and scoop easily and then throw it.
Oh, I see. That was good knowing about hydraulics. It's got big wheels.
Yes, because it's like a tractor.
I see. Where is it used?
Used in pipes, it cleans pipes, and it has two buckets in the backhoe, and these are the legs keep them stable.
Are these stabilizers?
No, these are legs.
Okay.
I call them legs.
You call them legs.
Yeah.
Where do you use backhoes?
In construction site.
Okay, I see. So, and what's this black thing here?
This is the exhaust.
Exhaust. Okay. I see. What does it do?
You can press this button.
Wow! That looks cool.
And look, undo. Look, these are the lights.
Okay, yeah, I can see.
Hello, undo.
These are the lights. I can see that. And mirrors.
Yes. So when the driver needs to see when it's going, they need to see a truck coming. So when it's going in the cities.
Okay. And what is this? Funnel? Is it a funnel?
No, it's a button that you can press.
I see. Where is the driver?
No driver in it.
I see.
Hello. Oh. Hello.
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 It's very cool. It's quite big.
Yeah. Yeah. The driver's coming here. See, look, the doors can open.
Oh, wow. Yes, the door can open. Yeah, it does.
Two doors can open. Let's see. These are like wings, but they're actually doors.
Okay. Wow. I wonder why the backhoe has two buckets. Why it needs two buckets? How is it different from like other diggers?
Back is a bit different than skid steers or diggers or excavators. But this one is like an excavator, but it's not like an excavator.
Yeah, this arm is like an excavator arm, and this scoop is like a front loader.
Yeah.
So it is a combination of excavator and a front loader, and it becomes a backhoe.
Yeah, when you put two buckets, it becomes a backhoe.
I see. It looks really cool and very big.
Yeah.
It's a brooder one, I think.
It might be. It's a loader one.
Okay. Do you want to say anything about backhoe to our audience?
Yeah.
What's that?
Backhoe, backhoe, backhoe,
I see. And what's your favorite vehicle?
backhoe.
Obviously. And is there a name for this backhoe?
Backy.
Backy the backhoe. That's cool. All right. It was nice talking about backhoe with you. It looks really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was nice to know about hydraulics. I bet most of the people don't know what is hydraulics. So that was really cool. Okay then. See you. Bye.
Bye. Wee.